This is the oregano and the ginger and the lemongrass. So, I'm going to make this one a tea. The lemongrass. Okay. Lemongrass, the oregano and guava leaves, and then the ginger. Boiling 10 minutes, so we need to let it cool down, and we're not going to throw away this one because we can add on water. We can